G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Just over 2 months since the heart attack. And how am I going? Let's start with that. Physically, I'm doing great. I'm doing all my workouts when I'm meant to be doing them. My strength is increasing. I'm having to use heavier weights for when I'm working out now to get what I need to. I've got ankle weights, got wrist weights. I've actually just bought a weighted vest, which is what, 5 kilos. So what's that? That's 11 pound. Not 11 pound. Yeah, 11 pound, isn't it? 11 pound in weight. That's just to put some resistance on and for exercising my legs in a way. So when I'm walking around the house with that on, it's like carrying a small backpack on my back. So it's getting my legs used to that weight. All my exercises, like I said, they're going good. No trouble there. Now what has, I won't say been a problem, but it's got in my way is mentally I've been exhausted. On some days have been mentally exhausted. I think what I've been doing is thinking about what happened, where that could have gone, but also trying to work out, okay, let's get on with it, where I'm going to take this now, and how am I going to do it. Now the first step is I've been doing my workouts, and next step is I'm going to start doing review videos again. I've got a couple of items I've had sent out to me which I want to show you. I also want to start messing around with my backpacks again. Now we've got the colder, wet weather coming here in Australia. Whilst most of the rest of the world is warming up, we're cooling down. So I want to do some day walks. I want to do some multi-day walks. I want to do some nights out. I want to actually get out with that new tent I've got and use that. I want to get my, over there, my main winter tent I've been using for when I go hiking, which is the Lanshan 2 with their winter inner. I want to get back into that in this colder weather. I've got one of my sleeping bags over here, just to my left, where I've actually washed that, got it dry, and it's just gently folded up over the side here to allow the down to stay puffed up. I'm looking around, finding my insulated liners, so when the weather gets colder, that's all ready to go. I've just missed getting out there doing it. You can see I'm just like this. My body wants to go, yeah, come on, let's go. Throw the pack on, let's get out. Now, I'm having to think of places where I can go where I'm going to have phone signal just in case. Can't see anything going wrong. I cannot see that at all. Physically, I feel great. I've been able to carry plenty of weight since the heart attack. Mobility-wise, I've been great. So I just want to start getting back out again, getting the pack on, just doing what I love. So that's the reason for this video, to let you know why I haven't been around and where I'm going, what I'm going to be doing. Now I've got, let's work it out. I was looking at doing a circular walk, which is 3 days, which is 60 kilometers in length completely. The first day is up and down some quite steep hills, and then the next day is starting to level out a bit, and then the final day back to the car is 20 kilometers or 21 kilometers, fairly flat, which I've done a few times that bit, but it's just I need to get out there. I'm also planning on getting back out on the Bilberman track to do another I think it's 5 days from dwelling up to Collie, which I've done before a few years ago. And I need to do it again. I need to get out there, and I want to do back out on the building track, and I want to finish doing my sectional end to end over the next 2 years, if not sooner. I'm missing it. I am truly missing it. But I'm coming back. Be getting back out there again soon. There's going to be more videos coming up soon. So, I'll see you in the next video.